Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's topic is converting fractions, decimals, and percentages. So today's first question is, which decimal is equivalent to 7 out of 20? And on a normal basis, it would be like, oh, converting fractions to fractions. But wait, this is a decimal, not a fraction. And all the answer choices are decimals too, so they're pretty straightforward. Anyway, but there is a really fast strategy that you can do. The best strategy is to change the denominator, if it can, into something like 10, 100, 1,000, stuff that's easy to divide, like that. So we have 7 out of 20. Let's brainstorm this. 20 times what would be something that would be easy to divide? Exactly. So 20 multiplied by 5, and whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. So both top and bottom multiplied by 5, so the top would be 35 and the bottom would be 100. And now that's easy to solve, isn't it? So 35 divided by 100 is 0.35. So our next question is, which decimal is equivalent to 9 out of 50? Oh ho, 50. 50. And 50 is probably the easiest to see through out of all of them because it's literally just half of 100. So 9 out of 50. Top and bottom multiplied by 2. So the top would be 18 and the bottom would be 100. So it should be 0.18. So this is like faster method basically. You have to learn the method though, basically. So that's why that's why I'm here right now, basically. So which percent is equivalent to 4 out of 20? So this time it's percentages, but here we have a 25. And if you've learned percentages, you know that 25 is the best friend of percentages because it's like a direct down of 100, and 100 is the best friend of percentages. So 4 out of 25. Well, you can't really get that into anything cool. But 25 here, multiplied by 4, would equal directly 100. And percentages love 100s. So the top is multiplied by 4 too. So it's 16 out of 100. And don't fall for this when you're doing the test. If you see this percentage in the back, right? So if you put something like 0.16%, that's actually very small. Remember that the percentage already stands for the decimal point. So that would be D. And this one is a little bit mixed up. It's which percent is equivalent to 12 out of 16. Well, 16 cannot be directly to 100. But following fraction logic, you can, here, divide top and bottom by 4 to make your job a little bit easier. Well, actually a lot easier. So the top would become 3 and the bottom would become 4. And 4, as we've seen in the previous problems, is multiplied by 25. It can become 100. Do not make those sounds in the test. Your teacher will kick you out. So multiplied by 25, and the top also multiplied by 25 would equal 75 out of 100. And that would equal 75%. So it's basically mixed up a bit, but it still has the pretty much same logic. So I hope this video helped, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!